Got a good Pro Tools tip for you today, and especially if you use some type of a control surface like a SSL UF8 or Stream Deck, or anything that you could program actions to a key, this might help to speed up your workflow. Scroll to track is a great shortcut to know when you're navigating a Pro Tools session, especially if you have a lot of tracks. The command is Option Command F. So when we hit that, Option Command F, a dialog box will open up and it says scroll to track. So let's say my session here has 50 tracks on there. My first one, usually in a template, is PT click for Pro Tools click, and then my last one is usually the master. So right now, I can't even see the master, so I'm just going to start typing M-A, there it is, master, right? And now we have on the screen the master track. Also, if we're looking here, we're going to scroll all the way on my control surface, which is a UF8, and I want to not only select that track and find it, but again, it scrolls to it. So let's say, again, we're here with this and we're looking at, right? Now we've selected and you can see all the way to the very last track. If I wanted to go back to the top, which for me is always the PT click, Command Option F, PT, and it already labels there. Not only does my control surface scroll, but so does the Pro Tools screen. But here's the better part. When you have a control surface that has some buttons that allow you to program custom key commands, this is really fast. So here I have PT click and I have master already programmed on one of the layers of my SSL UF8. So I'm just going to hit the master and it already does that for me. So this is how we go about doing that. In the 360 software for SSL, but Stream Deck, any of the other control surfaces have their own type of way you can program a macro key. I'm using this. So for the master, this is the key command. All right, it does Option Command F. It hits return. That opens up the dialog window, and then it simply types M-A-S-T-E-R, and then it hits enter, and that's it. That's how I program that button. The same thing goes for the PT click. You just type it in. If you have anything else, if you've got bass, if you've got vocal, anything like that you would want to have as a preset button, places you often navigate to, that's a simple way of getting around in your session. Now, here's the part 2 of that. Not only did we previously talk about navigating with a couple of different key commands to go to the front and the back or to any selected track within your session, now that I have that track selected, we can do the zoom selected. So in Pro Tools, again, that is control up or control down arrow. But now I've selected the PT click. I have a button that says zoom selected. And I already have that set to zoom up 4 times. I have another button that says shrink selected. Let's say I want to go to the master and zoom that open to look at something like automation. Gonna select the master, I'm there, and now I'm zooming that open, and there we have it. It's that easy. In the 360 software, it's really easy to program that. So you can just simply go in here, you open up the macro, you type with the actual key command, cursor up, 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 and that's it. It's been renamed. You can add a color on there, and there you have it. It's very simple. I'm gonna close that, open it, close it. I have a couple tracks in here also, like this one is called bass. So we go back with the previous key command, Option Command F, scroll to track, start typing bass. There it is. Great, now I'm at the bass. I want to zoom that open. And that's a really just fast way to navigate in your session when you're using a programmable control surface. All right, thanks. Have a great day.